Hello everybody, I'm here. I think I'm live. Just I have not yet viewed the charts for today, and let me just share the links and then just be back. I have already done it. It's going to take a minute or so, and then we can just dive into the next session. Did you all trade today? Let me know your answers in the chat. If you guys did a trade today, um, just drop a yes in the chat. I'd also love to know your analysis and then just like your trade screenshot in our Discord community. That would be really good. This is of yesterday's. Let me just be back. If you're watching the stream, leave a like, boys. Leave a like. I would highly appreciate it if you guys are going to leave a like. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, how this New York session is going to be? Did you guys trade today or what? Let me know your answers in the chat. And if you guys are watching the stream, leave a like to the stream and I would highly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just drop it. I'll be able to answer, boys. All right. Location, add yours, link. All right, let's just dive into the session, boys. This is a trade from yesterday. I just gave this update on my Discord community. I did not do a live update. I just did after once after this trade was closed, and how's it? Let me just open up my brokers real quick. How do you see this New York session going? Is it going to be bullish or bearish? What do you see? What do you think? Let me know your answers. Uh, I have raised a poll, and if you guys did you guys trade today, you can leave your answers in there. That would highly useful to me. All right, we don't need these. This is of yesterday. We don't need these. This is also not needed. This is also not needed. Okay, now the daily time frame is in like this. All right, up until right now, the daily time frame is in like this, and from with yesterday's closure, I think price has high probability of closing just like this. But how big of a candle or how smaller of a candle is it going to close is in the low time frames and how much volume it has. So we cannot say how is it going to close in here, but I think there is a high probability that price would want to close in like this, bearish only, but more tighter or a bigger candle or a smaller candle itself. So if you're going to go in the 4 hour time frame, mm, price just came start coming down for today and then just like it wobbled up. Okay, now we do not have much data and there is 15 more minutes for the candles to close. If this candle is going to close in here like this, I am going to see for more sells, boys. I am going to see for more sells if this candle is going to close in here like this, because with the daily time frame in place and with this 4 hour time frame in place, I think there's a high probability that price would want to continue to move down in here like this. Okay, that is just my analysis. If the price action is going to go against me or opposite to what I'm saying, completely fine, I understand it. I'm just a player in here. I'm not the entire market in itself. Okay, you just have to have that mindset. So if we drop down to the 1 hour time frame over here, 1 hour time frame over here, um, I'm seeing a glitch. 1 minute. Okay, if we see in the 1 hour time frame over here, one hour time frame. Okay, price just has resistance over this place, which place over here. But I can just see it in this time frame over here. But in the low time frames, it might be different. So we're just going to place one thing over here. All right, all right. So I do not see a support right now, so we're just going to leave it off right there. If you're going to see a support in the lower time frames, we're just going to mark it. See, price has exactly a resistance set to this place. That this could be our top range for this session over here. Okay. Now in the 1 hour time frame, price action is in like this. I cannot see or say much, but price has been resisting over this area over here. Price has been resisting over this area over here. I can see price being still in bearish structure. Okay, even though it has been creating bullish structure over here, I can see price clearly rejecting over this place. So I'm just going to look for more sells. 30-minute time frame. We have to also see how this candle is going to close. This 1 hour closure is very, very important. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. I do not see a support in here. So this is just a support over here, guys. This is not the bottom range. We can call this a top range, okay, but we cannot call this a bottom range because there is support in here and then support here. So I'm just going to call it a support. Okay. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. I'll be able to answer. Why am I marking this zone over here? Because if price is going to come down, okay, like I've said, with the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame, if price is going to come down, I can see price coming to this place over here. I can highly see price is going to come to this place over here. Which place? This place over here. So that is why I'm marking this zone. So if we get set up, we know where to place it, where we have to place the take profit at. So this 1 hour closure is very, very important over here. And then you have to see how it's going to close. And okay, I like it. I really like my zones being at whole numbers, so I just put it at 500 and then this to 900. Well, let's just make it a 4175. It's gonna be fine. Okay. Did you guys trade today or what? Let me know your answers in the chat. I have raised a poll for did you guys trade today? I would highly appreciate it if you guys answer that. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. தமிழ்லயும் நீங்க கேள்விகள் கேட்கலாம், நான் தமிழ் பேசுவேன். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கேள்விகள் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்க தமிழ்ல கேளுங்க, நான் தமிழ்ல பதில் சொல்றேன். I have never ever seen a secretary from the White House talk this much. This guy talks so much, and I do not know why. This guy talks so much, so much. Which broker best, bro? Bro, எந்த நான் இப்ப ப்ளூபெரி மார்க்கெட்ஸ்னு ஒரு brokerage-ல அக்கவுண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன் ப்ரோ. அது நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. நான் நிறைய brokerage ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நான் இப்போ வந்து ப்ளூபெரி மார்க்கெட்ஸ்னு ஒரு brokerage-ல அக்கவுண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன். நான் அஃபிலியேட் கிடையாது. நான் வந்து அங்க ஒர்க் பண்றது கிடையாது. நான் அவங்களை ப்ரொமோட்டும் பண்ணல. நாங்க அக்கவுண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன். இது வரைக்கும் எனக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இல்லை. பாசிட்டிவ் தமிழன் 7390 7390. All right. If this 1 hour candle is going to close, withdrawal ஓகேவா ப்ரோ? இது வரைக்கும் எனக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இல்லை ப்ரோ. ஓகேவா தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. நான் இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணதுல எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இல்லை. ஆனா கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுக்கும். 2 to 4 days டைம் எடுக்கும். இன்ஸ்டன்டா வராது. ஆமா ப்ரோ, என்னைய பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு brokerage-ல நீங்க முக்கியமா பார்க்க வேண்டியது என்னன்னா அந்த ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஸ் தான் ப்ரோ. நான் வந்து ரா ஸ்ப்ரெட் அக்கௌண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன். அதுல வந்து ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஸ் கம்மியா இருக்கும். எனக்கு கோல்டுக்கே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8 தான் ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஸ். ஒரு பிப் 2 பிப்லாம் கிடையாது. மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு பிப் தான் எனக்கு ஸ்ப்ரெட். ஸோ எனக்கு வந்து அது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஸோ அதனால நான் அதுதான் ரொம்ப ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுவேன். ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ட்ரேடிங் கண்டிஷன்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கும். If this 1 hour candle is going to close in here bearish, I'm just going to try to enter in here, boys. If this 1 hour candle is going to close in here bearish, I'm just going to try to enter on the break of the low. We just have 5 more minutes and let's see. Bro, நான் கோல்ட்ல பைல இருக்கேன் ப்ரோ. என்ன பிளான் வச்சிருக்கீங்க? என்ன பண்றது? ப்ரோ, நீங்க ஒரு அனாலிசிஸ்ல என்டர் ஆயிருப்பீங்க, பைல இருக்கீங்க, உங்களால அதை பார்க்க முடியுது, பிரைஸ் வந்து மேல மெதுவா மூவ் ஆயிரும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா பைய ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரு எப்பயுமே நீங்க ஒரு ட்ரேட்ல என்டர் ஆறீங்கன்னா ஒரு பிளான் வச்சுக்கோங்க. கையில எப்பயுமே ஒரு பிளான் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, நம்ம இப்படிதான் பண்ண போறோம், இதான் செய்ய போறோம் அப்படின்ட்டு. பாசிட்டிவ் தமிழன் 7390. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் தி ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ரோ. நீங்க எப்பயுமே ஒரு ட்ரேட்ல என்டர் ஆறீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியாவும் ஒரு பிளானும் இருக்கணும் என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்றது. ஸோ அதுபடி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. நான் எதையாவது சொல்லி அதை ஏதாவது கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடும். அது நல்லா போய் முடியாது. இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு செல் பண்ணலான்ற ஐடியால உள்ள வந்திருக்கேன். ஆனா நீங்க பைல இருக்கீங்க. நான் ஏதாவது சொல்லி நீங்க மட்டும் ஏதாவது பண்ணி எதுக்கு? ஹோல்ட் பண்ண போறேன் ப்ரோ ஹை வரைக்கும். நைஸ். உங்க பிளான் படி செயல்படுங்க. அது ஒர்க் ஆகலன்னா அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், நல்லா பண்ணலான்றத பாருங்க. அதான் பெஸ்டா இருக்கும். Okay. Yoganath, yes, MK6KO. Thanks for watching the stream, bro. If you're new to the stream, subscribe to the channel and like this video, boys. That would help me. Sabari Nathan, yes. Hi, bro. And if you're new to the stream, um, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And then I'm going to தெரியும் அஜித். Discord. I'm going to put a link for our to join our Discord community in here, and then also there is a link to a link in the description of this video. The link is going to come. Okay. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our channel, and then join our Discord community. I will be sharing all our updates there. 2 more minutes to close, and then 2 more minutes to close. Camera straight வைங்க and place camera in right side of video. It'll be good. Bro, இப்போ ரைட் சைடுல தானே ப்ரோ இருக்கு. இப்போ ரைட் சைடுல தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். கேமரா ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா தானே இருக்கு. எப்படி வைக்க சொல்றீங்க? இது என்னோட ரைட் சைடு, அதனால நான் ரைட் சைடுல வச்சிருக்கேன். It will be good. Okay. Even though the 4 hours going to close in like this, I am still highly bearish for this entire session over here. Let's see how candles are going to go, and then if we get an entry, I'm going to do it straight bearish up till this area over here, and my secure zone is going to be up here. I'm going to secure 70 to 80% of the profits over here, and then leave the rest of the trade to here. Let's see. I can see a wick being made to this place. We will see. Even though, okay, even though I can see rejections over this place, just now I just see it clearly. Current இருக்கிறது opposite side. தெரியலையே ப்ரோ. இப்போ வந்து கேமரா வந்து என்னோட ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கு. கேமரா ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வைங்க, பிளேஸ் கேமரா இன் ரைட் சைடு ஆஃப் வீடியோ. இப்போ வந்து கேமரா என்னோட ரைட் சைடில் தான் இருக்கு. மேபி இந்த சைடு வச்சு பார்க்கலாம். டுமாரோ ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல இந்த சைடு வச்சு பார்க்கலாம் ப்ரோ. Okay. Even though I can see rejections all over this place, I would highly consider this place to come into play too. So if price is going to start to come down, we know where is it going to go. It's up to here and then it's to here. Bullish side. With yesterday's close in place, I do not see bullish, but if price is going to go bullish, I would try and do a trade. What do you guys think? நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்கன்றத கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸ்ல போடுங்க. If you're new to this stream, like the stream, boys. Like the stream and subscribe to our channel. It would help us grow. And then the link to our Discord community is in the chat box and also in the description of this video. And also, I have raised the polls of did you guys trade today? I would highly appreciate it if you'd answer that. Okay. I am just hoping that not hoping, I can see the 4 hour definitely coming down right now, and if it's going to come, I'm just going to look for an entry at a very good place and then try and catch up this entire space over here. I would place a TP over here, and then the extended TP would be to this place. If it's going to go to this place, fine. If it's not, I'm going to secure it over here. I think price can definitely do that because of this yesterday's close over here and then the 4 hour close over here. I can see price making a wick to this place over here and then just like driving down or up to this place over here. If it's going to go above, no issues. We're just going to see how we can trade bullish. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கேள்விகள் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்க தமிழ்ல கேட்கலாம், நான் தமிழ்லயே பதில் சொல்றேன். Trump could withdraw from US MCA next year. The thing is, he can do whatever he wants. Right now, if he's going to pull, right now, if he's going to come out of the USMCA, two countries are going to freak the hell out. That is Canada and Mexico. Canada and Mexico live on America's military. So if America is going to pull out, the scenario is going to be completely different. Just saying, boys, just saying. They used to authorize production of ultra compact cars. Seize ultra compact cars is tremendous market news. Okay, okay. There is still not wick in here, and we have to see. We have to wait for the wick. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to our channel, boys, and leave a like to this video. I would highly appreciate it. I do not know what is up with this week. Just complete opposite moves of whatever I say. Just complete opposite moves of like price doing all those things. Um, if you're going to ask me, I would say that is highly normal. At the end of the day, price would go however it wants to go. Okay, you are just small, very. If you're going to consider yourself in the market, you're going to be the very, very smallest unit the market can probably have. Okay, if you are going to be the very, very smallest unit the market can probably have. So if your analysis does not play out or whatever you say is not going to happen, completely fine. It is what it is. Things like this happens, and you have to just move forward. Okay, and you have to just improvise. um, if you say price going to go bearish and then price going to bullish, completely fine. You're just a player over here, you're not the entire market. And then it just goes, at the end of the day, price just goes how it wants to. நீ அந்த நாளோட முடிவுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது எப்படி போகணும்னு நினைக்குதோ அப்படிதான் போகும். நீங்க வந்து இப்படி மூவ் ஆகும் அப்படி மூவ் ஆகும் நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் சொல்லலாம், ஆனா அது எப்படி மூவ் ஆகணும்னு நினைக்குதோ அப்படிதான் மூவ் ஆகும். ஐயோ இவர் சொல்லிட்டாரே, ஐயோ அவர் சொல்லிட்டாரே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மத்தம்லாம் படாது. நம்ம எல்லாம் இங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஒரு சின்ன பகுதி தான். This candle does not have a wick, and if price is going to reject from here, I'm going to mark resistance over this place, and then probably from there, if a rejection is going to come forward, I'm just going to short it from there to here, boys. If you're new to this channel, join the Discord community, boys. I will leave all the updates there. This candle does not have a wick in place. So if you have seen over this week, the entire like, see, let me just put an example over here. Yesterday's New York session, all right, yesterday's New York session was over here, big candles. And then see Monday's New York session, big candles. And then see Tuesday's New York session, big candles. Some weeks are just like that. We maybe today too there's going to be a big candle common, and then we could not be getting a trade in. So I can see price probably coming down to this place over here. I can highly see it. Price is going to reject of this place and then would come, I think so. There is a high probability of that happening. And we're just going to have to wait until that, and once things are going to happen, we just are going to enter into it. What do you think, boys? What do you think? Is it going to be bullish or bearish? Let me know your answers in the chat. Is it going to be bullish or bearish? Let me know. And I'm going to just drop one thing over here. If you see a rejection like this, and if you're going to have a place in like this very near, there is a high probability that price would want to come to this place and then form resistance rather than forming over here. See, just like this, price did not stop over here, just came straight up to this area, and I think if it's going to reject, what I say is going to happen. Bull. Bullish. Okay. புல்லிஷா இருந்தா நீங்க சந்தோஷமா இருப்பீங்க. யோகநாத் எஸ் MK6KO ப்ரோ, உங்களோட அனாலிசிஸ் என்னன்றத என்னோட டிஸ்கார்ட் மெசேஜ் சென்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? நான் அது என்னன்றது தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுல ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்கேன். நீங்க probably reverse positive Tamlan bro, with the daily, with the 4 hour, with the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame, I think price would highly want to reverse தான் bro. இங்க இருந்து இங்க வர மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கான சான்சஸ் நிறையவே இருக்கு. பட்னா இந்த வாரம் ஃபுல்லாவே கோல்டு வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்டா தான் இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் மூவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் அப் அண்ட் டவுன் ஸ்விங்கிங்கா தான் இருக்கு. பார்ப்போம் எப்படி போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. வந்துச்சுனால் என்ட்ரி. நேத்தெல்லாம் ட்ரேட் அமையும் நினைக்கவே இல்லை ப்ரோ, ஆனா நேத்து ட்ரேட் அமைஞ்சிச்சு. மண்டே 2 ட்ரேட் அமைஞ்சிச்சு. மண்டே கூட கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ட்ரேட் பிரேக் ஈவன், அப்புறம் ஒரு ட்ரேட் வந்து ஆல்ரெட் ஸ்டாப்ல சிட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இந்த ட்ரேட் நேத்து வந்து நேத்து ட்ரேட் பண்ணது வந்து இங்கதான் இனிஷியல் டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் ஐடியா வச்சிருந்தேன். பட்னா நான் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல போகும்னு நினைச்சு இங்க வரைக்கும் விட்டுலாம் நினைச்சு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் ஜோன் வச்சேன். இங்கே ஆனா நான் 80% க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் பிரேக் ஈவன் இங்க பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதனால எனக்கு பிரச்சனை இல்லை. இன்னைக்கு ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு நல்ல ட்ரேட் அமையும் ப்ரோ, வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே ப்ரோ. யோகநாத் எஸ் ப்ரோ, மறந்துடாதீங்க டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கம்யூனிட்டியில சென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. என்னோட பிரைவேட் மெசேஜ்ல கூட சென்ட் பண்ணுங்களேன். ஏன் என்ட்ரானீங்க, என்னென்ன கான்ஃபிடன்சஸ், எதனால அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. யோகி BOS CHOCH BOS. ஓகே, CHOCH யோகி ப்ரோ, நான் உங்க இது பார்த்துட்டேன். CHOCHனா சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் கேரக்டர் தானே. BOSனா தெரியல, எக்ஸ்ன்னு மார்க் பண்ணிச்சிருக்கீங்க, அது என்னன்னு தெரியல. BOSனா பிரேக் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். ஓகே bro, if it works fine bro. Extra minor BO, okay, extra minor BOS. okay bro, if it works na fine bro. நீங்க வந்து ட்ரேடிங்ல வந்து முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்ன தெரியுமா? நீங்க வந்து 250 ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி, 25,000 ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி, டெய்லி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி, டெய்லி ஒரு கோர்ஸ் கத்துக்க வேண்டிய அவசியமே கிடையாது. ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம்தான். அந்த நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஒரு இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி லேர்ன் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு டைம் கொடுத்து அதுல வந்து வித்தையை கத்துக்கணும். எப்படி செய்யணும், எப்படி செய்யக்கூடாதுன்றது. அதுதான் இங்க ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. இங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது என்னன்னா வித்தையை கத்துக்கிறது தான். 100 வித்தை 150 வித்தை தேவையே கிடையாது. ஒன்னே ஒண்ணு இல்ல ஒன்னே ஒண்ணு மேக்சிமம். அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேவை. இங்க 150 ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிஸ் அப்புறம் வந்து ஒரு 150 கோர்ஸ் டெய்லி ஒன்ன படிச்சுட்டு சேஞ்ச் ஆகிக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறது தேவையே கிடையாது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான தேவை என்னன்னா ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி, அதுல நீங்க வித்தையை கத்துக்கணும். அதான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். உங்களுக்கு அது ஒர்க் ஆகுதுன்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் ப்ரோ. நல்லபடியா பண்ணுங்க. யோகநாத், எஸ். Slowly the daily time frame is dying out, boys. What the hell? நான் காலேஜ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல லேர்ன் பண்ண ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும் ப்ரோ. ஆனா இப்போதான் கொஞ்சம் ப்ராஃபிட்டபிளாக இருக்கேன். ஓகே. Losses. Okay. The 15-minute time frame is reversing over here. I think it's not too early to just put this thing over here. So if it's gonna completely reject over here, boys, reject from this place, I'm just going to take this ray out over here. I think we should just take it out right now itself. Because there is a rejection in here, and it's like rejection in here, even though there's a couple of rejections over here. There is a clean rejection of this place, and then price rejecting of this place. If it's going to start rejecting from there, I'm just going to do a sell over there from there. Salam to all. Bro, இது என்ன ட்ரேடிங்? நான் நிஃப்டில தான் ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ப்ரோ இது வந்து ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ட்ரேடிங் ப்ரோ. இது வந்து இப்போ நான் பண்ற பேர் வந்து கோல்டு. அதாவது நம்ம வாங்குறோம் இல்லையா விர்ச்சுவல் கோல்டு. இப்போ ஒரு கடையில போய் வாங்குறோம்ல, அதோட பிரைஸ் வந்து இதுதான். அது வந்து டாலர்ல நிர்ணயமாகும். அதை வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கிராமுக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி பவுனுக்கு நம்ம இந்தியால ரேட் கொடுப்பாங்க. நான் நிஃப்டில ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சலாம் டு ஆல். ஓகே ப்ரோ, ஃபைன். இது வந்து ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ட்ரேடிங் ப்ரோ. இது ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ட்ரேடிங்னு சொல்றத விட கமாடிட்டி ட்ரேடிங்னு சொல்லலாம். இது வந்து கோல்டு, XAUUSDன்றது கோல்டு, பிலடெல்பியா கோல்டு. நம்ம வாங்குறோம் இல்லையா கடையில போய் கோல்டு, அதோட விலை. சலாம் டு ஆல். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் தி ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ரோ. நீங்க ஸ்ட்ரீமை பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. Still there is no wick in the 4-hour time frame too, so we have to wait. If we wait, I think price gonna reject and just like start coming down. We have to wait. ட்ரேடிங்ல ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் பொறுமை. ஆமா ப்ரோ, நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுது. Oh, breaking about. I am too Forex bro. Nice bro. Positive Tamlan. I am too Forex bro. Nice. தேங்க்ஸ் ப்ரோ. நான் கமாடிட்டிஸ் க்ரோவில் லாகின் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இதை வச்சு கோல்டு மில்லியனில் ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாமா? ப்ரோ எனக்கு அதை பற்றி ஐடியா இல்லை. நான் வந்து ஒரு ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ப்ரோக்கரேஜில் அக்கௌண்ட் வச்சுருக்கேன். அதில் கமாடிட்டிஸ் ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். அதில் நான் வந்து பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு க்ரோவில் வந்து தெரியல ப்ரோ என்னன்ட்டு. தெரியல ப்ரோ. கோல்டில் வந்து இந்த க்ரோவில் வந்து இந்த பேர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் இந்த இந்த ப்ரைஸ் பாயிண்ட் வந்து பார்த்துக்கோங்க, இது கரெக்டான ப்ரைஸ் பாயிண்ட்ல இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. இந்த இப்போ ப்ரைஸ் கரண்டா ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குல்ல 42909ல, அந்த இதுல இருக்கான்றத பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இதான் இருங்க. இந்த இடத்துல லைவ்ல ரன் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த பார்ல இதான் பிரைஸ் பாயிண்ட். அந்த பிரைஸ் பாயிண்ட்டும் க்ரோல இருக்கிற பிரைஸ் பாயிண்ட்டும் சேமான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க, இல்லைன்னா வேற சார்ட்டா இருக்கிறது கூட வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. முடிக்கல ப்ரோ, மேலே இருக்கும். Let's see if price is going to reject off from this place. I think it will, but if it's not going to, I think when this candle just came off from this place, I just thought it is going to take time, and from here if it's going to close in like this, I would highly appreciate it, and then I can see price coming down. So we just have to wait. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to our channel and then like this video and join our Discord community. I will be dropping all our updates there, and feel free to ask questions in here. And then if you want, you can also ask questions in the Discord community. Okay. Thanks bro. Commodities global login பண்ணிருக்கேன் ஆக்சுவலா. ஓகே வச்சு கோல்ட் மினில ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாமா? ஓகே. There is 5 more minutes to close, and if price could reject off from this place, let's see if it's going to reject off from this place. I can see it, and I can also there is also 30 more minutes for the candles to next candle to close, and if it's going to start coming to below this place, I can see it probably coming down. Wait a minute, boys, wait a minute. I did not see this. The closure is very different from over here. Holy oh shit. இந்த க்ளோஷர் ப்ரோ ஃபண்டட் அக்கவுண்ட் ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா? ப்ரோ ஃபண்டட் அக்கவுண்ட் வந்து நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். நீங்க எத்தனை நாளா ட்ரேட் பண்றீங்க? பாசிட்டிவ் தமிழன் 7390. The closure over here in these other pairs are very different. If this is how yesterday's candle has closed in, then there is high probability that candles would want to consistently move above over here, boys. Is father. I can also see price coming up to this place. Okay, see, if there is a gap in closure over here, right? If price has closed in like this, if price has closed in like this for yesterday, I can see price probably coming above too. So I did not see this. I did not refer to these other gold pairs too. So if price has closed in like this for yesterday, it's going to make a huge difference. I'm going to check it in my brokerage real quick. Yes, price has closed in like this only. So there is a problem and a glitch with this pair over here. Price yesterday has closed in bearish only, and then today it's just trying to move in bullish, and I can see it. Why not? So in a 30-minute time frame, it's going to be like this, boys. There is an issue over here. Um, if price has closed in like this, I can see it highly probably moving above. I did high probability of moving above too. I do not see these other pairs. So there could also be a bullish move in place, and I would highly suggest that we start looking for bullish moves too over here. I should have seen these other pairs at first itself, boys. Usually I see it, but here I do not see it. That was my mistake. I should have seen it. And then here is 46 pips in here, and then it's like 85, 80 pip stop loss. So there's not going to be enough risk to reward in here. So even if it's going to close above, I'm not going to be doing a trade over here because there is no wick to the 4-hour attested to it right now. And then if I'm going to even enter into this place at the break of the high, I'm not going to have enough pips and then risk the reward too. So I'm not going to do a 45 pip TP and then just like a 80 pip stop loss. I'm not going to do it. That is 2-to-1 risk to reward. I'm not going to do it, boys. So I definitely and highly would suggest price just make a support and then just like start going above. If price going to form support and just like go above, I'm going to do it. பட் இந்தியன்மா ப்ரோ ஃபண்டட் அக்கௌண்ட் ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா? ப்ரோ நீங்க எத்தனை வருஷமா ஃபாரெக்ஸ் பண்றீங்கன்றத தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா உங்களோட கேள்விக்கு நான் பதில் சொல்லிடலாம் ப்ரோ. ஏன்னா ஃபண்டட் அக்கௌண்ட் நீங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஏர்லியாவே வாங்குனீங்கன்னா அது நான் நல்லதுன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேன். ஏன்னா நீங்க வந்து எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு ப்ராஃபிட்டபிள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் நீங்க போடுற பணத்துக்கு நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியும். ப்ரோ ஒய் கோல்டு மட்டும் ட்ரேட் பண்றீங்க, கரன்சி பேஸ் பண்ண மாட்டீங்கன்னா எனி ரீசன்? ப்ரோ ஆக்சுவலா வந்து நான் எல்லா கரன்சி பேருமே ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ப்ரோ. யூரோ யூஎஸ்டி, ஜிபிபி யூஎஸ்டி, யூரோ ஜேபிஒய், யூஎஸ்டி ஜேபிஒய், யூஎஸ்டி சிஏடி, ஜிபிபி ஏயுடி, ஜிபிபி ஜேபிஒய், எல்லா கரன்சி பேர்ஸ், கேட் ஜேபிஒய்லாம் நான் நிறைய பேர்ஸ் ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ப்ரோ. எனக்கு வந்து அப்படியே கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஷிஃப்ட் ஆயிட்டேன் ப்ரோ, கோல்டு மட்டும் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ரீசன் வந்து கேட்டீங்கன்னா, நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்எம்சி தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து எஸ்எம்சியில் இருக்கிற அந்த சின்ன சின்ன கேப்ஸ் வந்து ஃபில் பண்ணுறதுக்காண்டி தான் அந்த ப்ராபபிலிட்டி எஃபெக்ட்ஸ்ன்றதை நான் இப்போ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். இது வந்து எஸ்எம்சியில் இருக்க கேப்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே ஃபில் பண்ணிடுது. ப்ளஸ் வந்து நம்ம வந்து ரொம்ப அட்வான்டேஜஸாக இருக்கும் ப்ரோ என்னோட இப்போ நான் பண்ணுற இந்த இதில். அதனால நான் அப்படியே ஸ்விட்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். கோல்டு நடுவில் பார்த்தேன், அப்படியே ஸ்விட்ச் ஆகி கோல்டே கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறீங்க ப்ரோ. பட் இந்தியன் மார்க்கெட் 1.5 இயர் ப்ரோ. இந்தியன் மார்க்கெட்ஸ் ஓகே, பட் ஆனால் நீங்கள் ஃபோரெக்ஸில் வந்து ப்ராஃபிட்டபிள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு 6 months ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டி, நான் வந்து 6 months கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ப்ராஃபிட்டபிளாக இருக்கேன், எத்தனை பர்சன்டேஜ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் வந்து ஃபண்டட் அக்கௌண்ட் பார்க்கலாம் ப்ரோ கண்டிப்பாக. இல்லைன்னா என்னை கேட்டிங்கன்னா நான் வேணான்னு தான் சொல்லுவேன். ஏன்னா ப்ராஃபிட்டபிள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இல்லாம நீங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபண்டட் அக்கௌண்ட் வாங்குனீங்கன்னா அது வந்து இப்போ நீங்க சப்போஸ் வந்து சேலஞ்ச் லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களோட மணி வேஸ்ட் தானே. ஸோ அதனால நான் சொல்றேன், ப்ராஃபிட்டபிள் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்க வந்து தாராளமா ஒரு ஃபண்டட் அக்கௌண்ட் பார்க்கலாம். I should have seen this earlier itself, boys. If I would have seen this price action earlier itself, I would have set the tone to get into a trade which could be bullish also. I should have seen this early. This price action over here. I did not see this, so I just got stuck with bearish move itself. And then price is just moving bullish over here. If I would have seen this over here, if I would have seen this daily close over here, it was like this, I would have even hopped on to this bullish move over below this area itself. So snap. Bro, அந்த 15-minute blockல இருந்து இப்போ ஒரு small expect பண்ணலாம் bro. Bro, அந்த 15-minute blockல இருந்து இப்போ ஒரு small expect பண்ணலாம் bro. Bro, நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்கன்றது எனக்கு புரியல. யோகநாத், எஸ். ப்ரோ செல் 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 எனக்கு தெரியல ப்ரோ, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. நானே ஆல்ரெடி குழம்பு போய் தான் இருக்கேன், ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. இந்த இந்த க்ளோசர் நான் பார்க்கவே இல்லை ப்ரோ. இந்த பிரைஸ் ஆக்ஷன் இங்க இப்படி இருக்குன்றதே நான் பார்க்கல. நான் இந்த பேரே பார்த்துட்டு ஸ்டக் ஆயிட்டேன். இப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருச்சுன்னா பேரிஷா க்ளோஸ் ஆகிறதுக்காக வாய்ப்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் ஸ்டக் ஆயிட்டேன். இப்படிதான் இருக்கு அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தேன்னா நான் நேரம் இங்க உள்ள இது இந்த டாப் ரேஞ்ச் கீழே இந்த இடத்துல எங்கேயாவது என்டர் ஆயிருக்கும். எப்பயுமே ரெஃபர் பண்ணுவேன், ஆனா இன்னைக்கு நான் விட்டுட்டேன். பார்க்கலாம், இங்க எங்கேயாவது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு சப்போர்ட் எங்கேயாச்சும் கிரியேட் ஆச்சுன்னா கன்ஃபார்மா பை அப் பண்றதுக்கு கண்டிப்பா ட்ரை பண்ணுவேன். 4210 to 4196, I think so. 4210 to 4296 பார்க்கலாம் ப்ரோ. 4296னா இங்க சொல்றீங்க, வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு, பார்ப்போம் மூவ் ஆகுதான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to our channel and then like this video and join our Discord community. I will be dropping all our updates there. And like this stream and answer our polls. It would highly help us and grow the channel too. Thanks for watching the stream, everybody. Going into here, if price is going to create support something over here, we're just going to try and see how we can trade today. BOS break even, CHOCH, BOS. Nice bro, nice. Oh, where am I now? What's price? Okay. Let's see if price is able to create support over here, boys. If it's going to create support, I'm just going to buy the shit out of this price over here. Nice, bro. Nice. Highly anticipated drawdown is coming. Okay, now. Okay. If price is going to close in like this, okay, if this candle is going to close in like this candle, and then the next candle is just going to pop above and close over here, I'm just going to buy instant over there up to this place, and then just like put the stop loss over here. And we have to see how this 15 minute is going to close. Since it's making support right now, we have to see how it's going to close. And I think really opening is coming right now, and we can get in a trade. Wait candle, bro. Candle wait பண்றதான் bro என் வேலையே. ப்ரோ என்னோட இது என்ன அப்படின்னா, ப்ராப்பரா ஒரு என்ட்ரி கிடைச்சிச்சுன்னா ஓகே ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். இல்லைன்னா ப்ராப்பரா ஒரு என்ட்ரி கிடைச்சும் கூட ட்ரேட் பண்ணாம கூட இருக்கலாம். ஆனா அவசரப்பட்டு உள்ள இறங்கிடக்கூடாது எந்த ஒரு ட்ரேட்லயுமே. அதான் என்னோட இது. இப்போ வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு இப்போ வந்து கேண்டில்ஸ் வந்து இப்படி இப்படி மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கான சான்சஸ் இருக்கு, அந்த ப்ராபபிலிட்டி பாக்குறேன்னு வைங்களேன், அந்த ரிஸ்க் ரிவார்ட் கரெக்டா இருக்கு, ஒரு 0.75 மேல ரிஸ்க் ரிவார்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா என்னால அதை பார்க்க முடியுது அப்படின்னா நல்ல என்ட்ரி கிடைச்சுன்னா கண்டிப்பா இறங்குவேன். ஆனா பிரைஸ் வந்து அவசரப்படுத்துச்சுன்னா இறங்க மாட்டேன். அவுட் அதை நான் ஸ்கிப் கூட அந்த ட்ரேடை நான் ஸ்கிப் கூட பண்ணிடுவேன். ஆனா நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன் அப்படி. Today is there any news, boys? No news. Boys, if you're new to this stream, just like the stream, bro. Like the stream, bro, boys. I would highly appreciate it if you just like the stream, boys. And then subscribe to our channel. I would highly appreciate it. It helps grow the channel, and I would also feel good. All right. 5 more minutes to close in here. Now, think of this. Think of this, okay? Now, if price going to move bullish, bearish in here, how is it going to be? Holy shit. Oh. I think with this weekly time frame over here like this, and then the daily time frame being in like this, I think it can move about in here, boys. I think it can just get stronger. If it's gonna create a wick and then it's like possibly just come above this place or just form even a support over this place, I'm just going to buy the shit out of price over here. I'm just going to buy the shit out of it. Wick is made. Yes, I think wick is made. 4-hour wick has been made, and right now the 4 hour is flipping. 4 hours flipping. Think of this, if price is going to start coming down over here, literally this is what gold has been doing all this week. See over here, when price moved bullish all the way up, just cancelled it completely, stayed came bearish. And price just moved all the way up from here. Price just moved this New York session and it came bearish. And then Monday, this is Monday, right? Price just moved all the way up and then shit just came bearish. All this week, what it has been doing is this. We just hope that it does not do the same thing over here today, and then we can move forward. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat, boys. Drop it in the chat. Oh, oh. Just come about already. Price just made a wick in the 4-hour time frame, and if price is going to come above from here, I'm just going to buy the shit out of it right now. I'm just waiting in here. I'm just waiting here. If price is going to start coming above, I'm just going to buy the shit out of it. And with my perspective being changed, with this price action over here, I can see price also going bullish in here. But right now, if it's going to go bearish, oh, let's just see. Let's just see. Bro, பைக்கு சான்ஸ் இருக்கு ப்ரோ. எஸ் ப்ரோ, நானும் அப்படி அதுக்கு தான் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். பைக்கு சான்சஸ் நிறையவே இருக்கு. இப்போ இந்த கேண்டில், இப்போ இந்த அப்கமிங் கேண்டில் இப்போ வந்து 4 ஹவர்ல விக் மேக் ஆயிருச்சு. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு கேண்டில் இப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறையவே இருக்கு. இப்படி இல்ல, இப்படி. ஸோ வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு வாய்ப்பு அமைஞ்சோனே எடுக்க ஆரம்பிப்போம். இந்த கேண்டில் எப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆக போறதுன்றது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். இந்த கேண்டில் வந்து இந்த கேண்டில் வந்து இந்த இடத்துல க்ளோஸ் ஆக போகுது, இல்ல இந்த இடத்துக்கு மேல க்ளோஸ் ஆக போகுதுனாலும் பை தான். 13 more minutes for closure. 13 more minutes to closure, and we're just waiting in here. And price did not reject off from this place, it just rejected off from this place. I just still have this place because I just consider this to be resistance, boys. I just consider this to be resistance, and let price not start coming down in here from this place. I was just waiting for a bearish move, and I saw a price action, and I saw it could be really bullish too, and then it just rejects from there and start coming bearish. USC. USC. Secure cash. Okay, now price is just trying to create support in here. Let's just wait, and there is some more time to close, and we have to wait. Whatever it is. Okay. What do you guys think? If it's going to create support over here, we're just going to do the deeds. I'm just going to do the deeds with gold, and if it's going to come from there, trying to hit my stop loss, completely fine. I'm just going waiting for price to create support, and from the support, if price leads up, it leads up. I can see it happening. I can see the probability in there, and we have to just wait. Let's just do the deeds, boys. Let's just do the deeds. Even if it's going to close in here like this, and then the 1 hour is going to close bullish only over here. If this candle is going to close in here like this, all right, and then the 1 hour is going to close bullish, we are just going to do the deeds when a candle like this is created, like this is created. Okay, I'm just going to enter on the break the high to this place, and then just like maybe secure the complete trade over here. That is what I'm going to do. Or I would just yes, I'm going to secure the complete trade over here. I'm just waiting for price to create support so that we just get good near. If you're new to the stream, like the stream, boys, like the stream, and subscribe to our channel. I would highly appreciate it. And it helps grow the channel, and we can also get grown. I call a candle of this type a low body candle, okay? If a candle is going to be like this, I call it a low body bearish candle. Some people call it doji, I call it a low body bearish candle. If price is going to close in here like a low body bearish candle, I'm just going to wait for a support still. Still, I'm going to wait for a support and then just like do the deeds from there. It is not going to be much of an issue. Um, we have to see how this candle is going to close, boys. We have to see how this candle is going to close. If the 30-minute is going to flip in here, it's going to be good only, but we have to see. What do you guys think of this idea? I just told the idea of how I want to be trading in here. What do you think of that? What do you think of the idea in here? Do you find it good or bad? Let me know your answers in the chat. And I just hope that price would not close, if this candle would not close in here. Just give me an entry already. Just give me an entry already. If you can just see this, this over here is a really tight range, and then this over here for yesterday's New York session is a really tight range, and then Monday one candle just flew the shit out of it. This was Tuesday, right? Okay. And then Monday it was good. We have been trading in really tight ranges only. Okay, okay. Just calm down now. Even though there is a range and then like resistance over here in place, if this is going to close in here like this, I'm just going to do the deeds, buy price over here, and then it's like close it probably over here, boys, probably over here. I'm just not going to try and hold to this place. 2 more minutes to close, boys. 2 more minutes to close, and I think we will have a buy-in here. I think we will have a buy-in here. We're going to have a buy-in here, and this candle over here should close somewhat tighter over here or over here, so that we can just buy in here. I want this candle to be much tighter, like over here or here. Still, I'm just going to do a buy in here, buy at this place, and it's like stop loss over here, TPs over here. How much of a risk to reward is going to be? It's going to be 52 pips. Oh, um, one more minute to close, and um, it's bearish right now. Is it going to be bearish? What the hell? 20 more seconds to close, and I do not like this close over here. Do not like the close over there. Oh, snap. Okay. I am still going to do a buy at this place, which is very, very far from here. Which is very far from here. With the 1 hour and everything, I can just see it happening. I can just see price going from here to there, but I just do not like the 15-minute close. But I'm just going to still buy it, boys. I'm just going to place. I would do an instant buy over here, but since this 30-minute is in here like this, I think I should do a break the high trade. I'm just going to do a trade over here, and then place the TP over here, and place a stop loss over here, or to this place. Okay. Which in my opinion is um, okay. With the 30-minute closing in here like this and the 1 hour like this, if the 1 hour is able to come up till this place, I think it would be able to move above consistently. And in the 15-minute time frame, if it's not going to go to the bearish side and if it's going to come above, I think from here it will be able to move to this region over here. So I'm just going to do the buy, boys. I'm just going to do it over here. Yes, it's very, very far, but I can see it happening. I'm just going to do it. Holy shit. Remember, it's just a buy stop and not an instant buy in. It is just a buy stop, and the buy stop has not activated yet. It is just a buy stop, boys. I have placed in a buy stop over here. Buy stop. Still, my stop loss is going to be over this place only. How much is it? Let me just put it to 4,200. Oh, oh here. I would do an instant buy over here, but since this 30-minute time frame is in like this, I am just considering the buy at this place over here. Is it at the very top? Yes, but I see with time and the volume in place, price can definitely consistently try to move above. Where is the buy placed? At 300. Maybe it might not get triggered also. It's just very, very far, and the 15-minute just like wobbled off at the rear end of close, and it's just now going bearish. It really had a probability to go, but the 15-minute just like wobbled it off. This candle, this 50, this bullish candle over here. Um, since this 15-minute closed in like this, and the 30 has just, and the 30 did just close bigger, so so the move completely got wobbled off, and right now I think it still has the probability to go, but after creating this much of a wick to the bearish side, mm, என்னதான் நடக்கும் நடக்கட்டுமே இருட்டில் நீதி மறையட்டுமே தன்னாலே வெளிவரும் தங்காது தன்னம்பிக்கிறான் மேலாது ஒரு தலைவன் இருக்கிறான் um let this buy stop be in place, and I think it would not get triggered on. Let's see, boys. um, this whole week, um, this whole week, New York session was in like this only. When we wanted price to move bearish, it was bullish, and then when we wanted to price to move bullish, it was bearish. And then when it's bearish, it's got bullish. Mm. But somehow managing that, we just got into 3 trades this week, and 2 wins and 1 loss. And then moving forward with today's close, I think we would be able to get a bigger direction for tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe today itself we could get in a trade, but I think it's going to take time. But definitely there's going to be a setup. At the end of the day, this 4 hour would want a direction, right? So we're just going to find it and just like do the deeds. Okay. After drawing down so much, I do not think it's going to just come about to this place over here. So I'm just going to cancel this buy stops over here and then wait for the 15 minute to close and see what we can do. Let's see. There has been somewhat of rejection in place over here, and if price is able to come up to this place, I think price would just continue to move down here, boys. I just canceled it buy stop too early right now, right? Yes. I'm just going to reintroduce the buy stops over here at 400. 400, and then keep the TP up here itself, and then wherever this candle turns bullish, if this candle is going to turn bullish up from here, I'm just going to mention that as stop loss. This is going to be my stop loss, boys. This is going to be my stop loss, and then buy stops has not been activated yet. I'm just going to, I have reintroduced the buy stops over here, and right, a 400 buy stops not activated yet. Let's see, there is 4 more minutes to close, and it's able to get above. I think with 15, with the 15-minute closing in like this, next 15 would also want to go above only. What the hell? But for that, for that, this candle has to close in strong. This candle has to close somewhere over here, so that it just continues to keep moving above. I'm just thinking if price is just going to close in here bullish, and then this candle is going to close bullish in here only. I think maybe I should just move my um, buy stops to this place over here, and see where we can go from there. But would I be able to give my stop loss to this place? No. This is 120 pips. No. To this place over here? Yes. But that's very tight. Let if this candle is able to create a wick over here, boys, over to this place at least, I'm just going to do a buy break. I'm just going to do a buy stop over here itself. I'm just going to move this buy stop over to this place over here. All right, I just moved my buy stops up to this place over here, and then I'm just going to give my stop loss at this place. My stops are going to be at this place over here. I'm just going to take this one out, and then I am not in this trade yet. There is still more time, and I'm just going to move. I have just moved my stop break buy stop over to this place over here, and then give the stop loss over to this place. If price is going to move about to this place over here on or to this high, I'm just going to close 80% of the trade over there itself. And my stop loss is going to be around 800, 4199 or 800. 4199 no 800. Just got in the trade, boys. Just got in it. Buy stops has been activated, and I'm just going to push the stop loss to this place over here. Take profit to this place over here. This place over here. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. This place. 4210 to 500, and then I'm just going to close more than more like 80% out here. Oh, this place. 4208 or 400. 4208 or 400. Let's see what is it going to do. I just see a glitch all the time in trading you. I can see price moving up to this place over here right now itself, and I will just close 80% over here, and then leave the rest up to here. Let's see. So far, so good. Only no issues. I can see price moving above, but if it's not, it's completely okay. That is just how today is going to go, and we will see. I'm just seeing a glitch every time I just come into trading view. My hands are just sweating. Let's see. Once price is going to get up to this place over here, I'm just going to close 80%, boys. I'm just going to close 80%. If it just comes and hits our stop loss, it's completely fine, and we will just see if you're going to get another entry in here. Because I think price has high probability of like moving above from here to this place or to this place. So if it's going to take our stop loss out and then it's like still closing here like this, I would just give another opportunity for myself to just let me just be in the trade, so the price can just move about to this place and then it's like I can be over, I can be in it. And one more minute to close, boys, one more minute to close. Let's see, one more minute to close and we're going to see. One more minute for the 5 minute to close, and then let's see. 5 minute has just closed in, and it has closed in like this. At this point in time, we can only hope that it just continues to move above, and then just hits the take profit zone. We're just waiting for this zone to get hit so we can just close 80% and just like leave the rest to this place over here. I I can see price drawing down over here. We have to see how's it going to be. Mm, if it is going to hit my stop loss, I'm just going to probably look how is it going to close, and then just like rethink of doing an entry one more again. If it's just going to hit my stop loss, I am going to wait and see how price is going to close, and then rethink of if we can enter, and then just like the trade can just continue to move above. That is what I'm thinking right now. Oh, it's just moved into the green zone again. It just made a low. So once this, if this is going to close this way itself, I'm just going to move my stop loss to this place over here, boys. It just gave the price just gave us an altered stop loss over here. Price just gave us an altered stop loss over here. If it's going to continue to move above in here, and then I'm just going to move my stop loss to this place. I'm just going to move my stop loss over here right now itself, boys. I'm just going to do the deeds. 4200.700 is going to be my new stop loss. You can also put it at 700. Why? Because the 30 minute just made a low and then just like start pulling above, pushing above, and then this area makes sense to me. So I'm just going to move my stop loss there. The Tokyo high, the structure has changed from Mosh. What the hell shit that is? One more minute to close, and I think it's just going to close in near bullish only. So the closure is really coming in here, and then 15 minute has just closed in. It has closed in good only. Um, let it just push above to our secure zone over here. And hopefully it just moves to there. Did it just move, boys? Did it just move to our secure zone? Yes, it has. Have not yet closed secure. I have not yet secured. I'm just waiting for it to just hit the 40 pip mark. I'm just waiting it for to like hit the 40 pip mark. Once I see 40, I'll just like pop it off. All right, whatever it is. I did not see 40, and then just like I closed it off, and I'm just going to move break even, and I just moved my stop loss to break even, and then placed my break even right over here, and then I just closed at 33 to 34 pips, which is completely fine. Now I just gone risk free, and I just closed 80% of my profits there. Your target should be Tokyo high. Structure has changed from bearish to bullish. What do you say? I'm holding a buy from Sean Magnum. Bro, நீங்க நான் தமிழான்னு தெரியல. Bro, that is how you trade. This is how I trade. நீங்க அப்படி ட்ரேட் பண்றீங்க, நான் எப்படி ட்ரேட் பண்றேன். Do what works for you. This works for me, and I have journal of how it worked for me for the past year or so. So I just continue to keep doing this. So நீங்க பண்றது, so whatever you do, it works for you. You just continue to keep doing that. This works for me, and you just saw it live, and that is that. Okay, did it just hit my break even? Price has not yet hit my break even, boys. Sean Magnum. Sean Magnum, thanks for watching the stream, bro. If how you trade just works for you, that is completely fine, bro. This is what works for me, and I just continue to keep doing it. Just made a high. I just moved my stop loss to this place, boys. I just moved my stop loss to this place. So if you're in this trade, just move your stop loss to this place. And secure zone, I've just secured my trade, secured 80% of the profits at the top region, and we should just leave it to this place. I'm just leaving the rest of the trade to this place. So if it just comes and gets hit, it gets hit. and then we just go to sleep tight. What is it going to do? What is it going to do? What is it going to do, boys? If it's just going to come and give us like a nice 60 plus pips, I'm just going to be out instant. If it is just going to come and give us a nice 60 plus pips, which is really like a 7 pip range from our take profit zone, I'm just going to close the trade completely, boys. I'm just going to close the trade completely if it is going to give us 60 plus pips. Really, really near. And then what's it going to do? Did it give us 60 plus pips? Yes, it did. And I did not close. It should be 400, right? Yeah, 400, yes. And then, yes, and I'm just out. It just gave me 60 plus pips, and then I'm just out of the trade, boys. Um, I just came out right here, which is just 5 pip range from our take profit zone. So it's completely fine. I just got out of the trade. This is a win-win trade. So I'm just going to key. There's my SL. Initial SL was over to this place, right? 4200. So I'm just going to enter it 4200, and then so that when I just journal back, it would just make sense, and then it would be really helpful for me to just like get to know what I was doing, and then just like to keep it in track of what we can do further to make this one good. Okay, today is a win trade. I just did a trade live, explained it completely, everything. I just explained everything completely. So if you just here and you just got in this trade, like the stream and then just like subscribe to this channel and leave a like. 500 was 400. Okay. I just closed the trade completely at 61 plus pips because I usually close my trades in 5 to 10 pips range with my take profit zone. So that is how I do it. I'm not going to be fighting for extra 1 to 2 pips when price is really near my take profit zone. Okay, that is what I did. That is what I usually do, and that is what I did over here too. I see a glitch again. Okay. Let me just screenshot this for my Discord community window print screen, and then I would just post in it and then just like put an update there. So This New York session went really well. I would not say, I would not put it that way. This New York session went good. Okay, we just got a trade in, and we have to be happy for that. But there was lots of crazy moves over this zone, over this session over here. But we just got a trade, and then we just won the trade. And going forward, we will see how we can do it. The thing is, um, let's just save it for another session, eh? Let's just save it for another session, eh? All right. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, leave a like so it helps grow the channel, and I would also feel good. And join our Discord community. I will be doing all the updates there. And the link to the Discord community is in the description of this video and also in the chat box. I just did this trade live and then explained it completely. And then I also explained how I closed the trade at 60 plus pips with 1 to 2 pip range within my take profit zone. Usually I do it like that, and I did it the same way over here too. And I explained how I just secured 80% of our profits over this place over here. And all right, so I'm just going to do an update on my Discord community, and then I'm going to continue to trade forward. And thank you all for watching the stream, and hope this is highly educational for you, and we grow through this. Okay, so I'm going to end the stream over here, boys. If I'm going to do another trade entry, I will just post it in the Discord community of ours. And thanks for watching the stream, everybody. I will be streaming again tomorrow, New York sessions 7 p.m. IST. See you all tomorrow, New York sessions 7 p.m. IST. Thank you all for watching the stream. Thank you. Your support means the world to me. Thank you all for watching. Bye, guys. Let me just take a video and just say bye. Okay. All right. Thank you all for watching the stream. Thank you, everybody. Bye. See you all tomorrow, New York sessions, live stream 7 p.m. IST. Thank you all for watching.